तो हम जा रहे हैं सफारी के लिए and I am so excited.
Oh, Impala.
Impala.
Yeah.
Okay.
एक शेरनी के बाजू में एक शेर बैठेगा.
Wow, Sandeep.
Slow claps.
So impressed.
Look at the lashes and the lips. Oh my god, why is she so beautiful? Guinea fowl, female version of peacock. What it is?
It's
Guinea fowl. Okay. No, this husband has so many wives.
Yeah, so and they are.
They will never go to any other movie.
That one, yeah.
Oh my god, they're so loyal. Oh my god, he's looking at me. He's looking at me. Look what has just happened. I just cut the cake. Today is not my birthday. Mr. Pookie crocodile. It's very beautiful. You can only see this in I think so Africa, I believe, है ना? Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Samreen Sheikh. I hope you all are doing well. I know it's been a while. मैंने YouTube में कुछ upload किया है. It's been a month I feel, and I'm so sorry about it. I was so busy doing a lot of things in life, as in the family thing, and I can only apologize to you guys. But you know what? I'm back again, and we hit 2K subscriber. And I'm so grateful for you guys. You are literally motivating me by supporting me, so thank you once again. So as you can see, I'm going for my flight, and today I'm doing Nairobi layover. And I think so मैंने 3 times Nairobi layover किया, and you know what, मैं बाहर नहीं गई हूँ, but this time I am going out no matter what. So प्लान ये है कि हम एनिमल सफारी करेंगे, एंड हम लेवर जाने से पहले ही हमने वो बुक करके रखा है. सो इस बार जाना तो पक्का है. सो कम फ्लाई विथ मी. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Samreen Sheikh. I hope you all are doing well. So guess मैं कहाँ पर हूँ? Yes, मैं हूँ नायरोबी में. आपने तो पढ़ लिया होगा मेरा कैप्शन देख के. And yeah, this time I am going out. So मैं ये 4th time नायरोबी लेवर कर रही हूँ, and इससे पहले मैं बाहर नहीं गई because some of the other reason. First time जब आई थी, which if you have seen my vlog Nairobi का, that because of some protest we are not allowed to go out, so that's the reason. And then जो 2 बार फिर से मैं 2 बार फिर से जो मैं आई हूँ, तब मेरे क्रू ने ऑलरेडी सफारी कर लिया था, and they don't want to go, and फिर मैं अकेले कैसे जाती, इसलिए मैंने प्रेफर किया कि मैं रूम में ही रहूँ. But this time one of my crew, she is ready to go out, and we decide that we'll go. तो हम जा रहे हैं सफारी के लिए, and I am so excited because मुझे ये कब से करना था. अभी बज रहे हैं कुछ यहाँ के 7:30, and हमें 8 बजे नीचे जाना है, and मुझे फटाफट से रेडी होना है, and then हम नीचे जाएंगे and sorry, and we have booked a cab from hotel only. That guy only, he'll going to take us to safari center, and then फिर वहाँ से हम सफारी करेंगे, and then that guy only will take us back to your hotel. And as per my knowledge, it will cost us $70 per person, but trust me, $70 per person, but trust me, it is worth it, because I have seen videos where my crew, they have posted on stories and then on their post, and it was amazing. So मैं अभी बहुत ब्यूटीफुल व्यू के सामने बैठी हूँ, and I want to show you that. So चलो करते हैं सफारी साथ मिल के. So this is the view I was talking about. So beautiful.
Shining on a cloudy day, and it don't matter what you say, 'cause even if the sky is falling, I'ma do it anyway. So save your worries, slide your loving. I can feel that good things coming. Finally believe that it's gonna be a bright one here. There's nothing wrong on the horizon.
This is our car, this one, the black one. Black one is our car. All set to go out and you wanna come? Okay. Hello.
Meet my leading lady. Please introduce yourself.
So I'm Samreen's lead for today, and yes, we are going to enjoy a lot.
Her name is Supriya.
मैं क्यों इतना शर्मा रही हूँ, मुझे खुद नहीं समझ आ रहा है. तो हम निकल चुके हैं फॉर सफारी एंड हम बस 2 ही जन हैं एंड आई नो हम बहुत इंजॉय करेंगे नो मैटर व्हाट. हम 2 ही जन हैं तो भी. एलिफेंट्स एंड हमारा पिक्चर से ना स्टार्ट हो चुका है.
We have started our journey.
पूरा इंडिया ही लगता है. I mean this place.
But the weather is so
but the weather is very nice.
I thought
हाँ ना?
ये देखने के बाद मुझे लग रहा है कि start हो.
What happened, sir?
It is you supposed to pay for the entrance fee.
So we have to pay for this thing, right?
Yeah.
And for his fees is how much?
For the car or for what?
हाँ, for the car, yes.
For the car is Kenyan money is 1,500.
But in US dollar.
Okay, let me.
Because he said $70 altogether for us.
Now that one is for transport.
Only for transport is $70.
For transport from the hotel to the park and back to the hotel.
So
But, but now there are other charges for the entrance fee and for the car.
Car. The inside car you're talking about, not this car.
No, this one. We are going with this one.
Okay, so we are going with this one only. So here we are paying for the park ticket, which is $43, and the total amount which we have paid it is $85. So 43 जो है वो entry का है and the rest is for the transport. So the thing is यही transport में हम जाएंगे सफारी करने के लिए और यही transport हमको हमारे होटल में भी लेके जाएंगे.
We are used to the VSB.
Okay.
Now we are paying for the ticket. Ticket price is $43 each. It doesn't go down.
It doesn't go down.
अरे समस्या ही समस्या है भैया.
Language barrier, man.
But
Why, sir? Put this down.
That's
No.
how the car is made.
But this is wrong. Come to India. Sometimes this glass is not there only.
Yes. One thing कि हम एक ही कार में बैठे हैं होटल से एंड देन यही कार में हम जा रहे हैं मस्त ने अपना बैठ के.
और क्या चाहिए?
Exactly.
What else you want?
बट हाँ हमें वो वाला कार चाहिए था जहाँ पर ऐसा ओपन हो सनरूफ. बट ये पूरा बंद है. Can you say it again?
इससे अच्छा तो मैं ड्राइव कर लूंगी. Trust me.
अच्छा अरे वो जानबूझ के स्लो ड्राइव कर रहे हैं जस्ट सो दैट कि विल
Come on.
कैप्चर.
ये जंगल स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ है.
No, just so that we'll capture some animals. Sir, I'm saying. So,
Okay.
so why you're driving so slow? Why you're driving so slow? You are
It is a speed limit, and again,
Okay.
From here now you.
see the animals. See, I told you.
Yeah. Correct.
Now we will see the animals.
हमने 40-50
कहाँ पर है animals?
एक तो दिख रहा है.
खाली रास्ता है. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. You are exposed. You are exposed.
ये नहीं बोलना था. I'm so sorry guys. मुझे racist बोलोगे तुम लोग. But मैं ऐसी नहीं हूँ. मुझे समरी ने मजबूर किया.
Oh my God! कुछ भी अभी दूसरे पे नाम डाल रहे हो आप. चलो एनिमल्स दिख जाए बस, हमें पैसा वसूल हो जाए।
चूहे दिख रहे हैं।
चूहे।
Imagine यार, you have $50 for
59
oh yeah
59
almost 60
to be precise। भाई सिर्फ खाली रास्ता दिख रहा है।
इसकी विंडो भी नीचे नहीं जा रही।
थोड़ा बाहर निकल के हम लोग ऐसा ही ना एक बोलेंगे शेर जी आ जाइए, हमारे बाजू में बैठे हैं।
बीच में बैठे हैं हम दोनों शेर।
एक शेरनी के बाजू में एक शेर बैठे हैं। लेम जोक।
वाह समरीन,
स्लो क्लैप्स।
so impressed।
अभी हम जंगल में हैं और हम जंगल में जंगल सफारी कर रहे हैं विदाउट एनिमल्स की। चलो अच्छी बात है, कोई तो मेरे जोक पे हंस रहा है, वरना ना लोग मेरे जोक पे हंसते ही नहीं है। मुझे बोलना पड़ता है कि ये जोक था, उसके बाद हंसते हैं। यहाँ दो रास्ते हैं, एक ये रास्ता एक वो रास्ता, हमने ये रास्ता चुना
क्योंकि वो आने वाला रास्ता है।
ओके ठीक है, थैंक यू सर। एनिमल्स आर स्लीपिंग or what?
No animals are there।
It's because of the weather today, but I believe by the time we reach the other end, they would have woken up.
We can see some animals, right?
Yeah.
I hope
I hope.
baby is there। I hope we see the animals। Where are the animals?
इस सज्जन को क्या तकलीफ है भाई, क्या तकलीफ है इनको?
Oh my god, look at that! पूरा जंगल है भाई।
Very nice। I hope।
Yeah.
मैं अपने कैरेक्टर में I hope we see the animals now।
पूरा जंगल है वहाँ पर।
यार सनरूफ होना चाहिए।
No bro, this is dog, जो कि हमें इंडिया में भी देखने मिलते हैं। No, this is not dog, this is something else।
These are guinea fowl.
This is ये
What it is?
मेल फीमेल वर्जन है पिकॉक का।
Guinea fowl.
हाँ yeah।
Oh my god, look at this guys. Do they bite?
No.
No?
Can we
Get down?
No, here you cannot get down.
What if the tiger or something come from
lion
that?
is
One is running over there. Headless chicken.
They all are chilling।
Yeah. I'll just get up and then try to shoot. ये तुम निकालो ना.
नहीं तुम निकालो, रेड ड्रॉप करवाऊंगी।
Nice. Okay. And chilling. See?
एक गाड़ी में
Guinea fowl, female version of peacock.
it's not guinea fowl, it's guinea fowl।
What it is?
It's guinea fowl।
Guinea fowl. Okay.
The feeling you have to say।
Yes, sir. Bye bye, guinea fowl. Just imagine. सामने से टाइगर भागते हुए आ रहा है।
सबसे पहले विंडो बंद करूंगी।
Oh my god, look. Can you repeat it again? What is that?
And hippo, sorry?
What is that?
Oh, impala.
Impala.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, you were saying something, sir.
Yeah, the hippos. You can
Oh,
Oh,
hippos underwater. Hippopotamus. Hippos. It's moving. Wee.
okay, let's move।
Yeah, I can see his eyes. See the crocodile. Crocky. Oh my god. See वो कैसा वेट कर रहा है so that he can eat. उसको ऐसा हंट करेगा and then वो खाएगा. Oh my god, look at the size of this crocodile, man.
This one is even small.
So this is small.
There are bigger ones, yeah.
Ooh, Crocky. Look at this. This is so huge. Mr. Pookie crocodile. I will put a bow on his head. They are like एकदम स्टैचू बन जाएंगे, उसके बाद में उनके जो बाजू में थोड़ा से भी आए ना, then they open their mouth and then चबाओ खाए.
First time I'm actually I don't know what kind of ducks
I have
are
seen like बचपन में.
The hippo.
I have never seen.
Yes, run.
वीडियो बनाऊंगी इससे.
कौन से टाइप के बतख है भाई ये?
ये जंगली.
वाह
Look at this beauty. So these are female impalas.
No, you see the male one.
The male one, yes,
The
I
one
can.
that's mated now. That one is like now their husband.
Oh, their husband.
Yeah.
And this husband has so many wives.
Yeah. So and there is no other male one that
Uh-huh.
can come closer to this kingdom now.
Okay.
This one now belongs to that one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
वापस जरा
It's his
story
own
बताना.
territory. ये सब उसकी wife है.
Where is the husband then?
See the thorn
the
one.
one-
Yeah, the one
this
with the
one.
horn.
This the
Oh
horn one.
my god.
Yeah.
He's roaming with gopiyas now.
Yup.
So many girlfriends he has. Huh?
Yup. And they're not even jealous, huh?
Yeah. So if another male
I would have killed my husband.
if another male wants to take over,
Uh-huh.
it has to fight that one.
Oh my God.
Sorry, what?
If another man-
another male wants now to take over the female ones, it has to fight that one first. If it defeats it, now it
Defeats him.
takes over. You understand?
Oh my God.
Yeah.
I understood. So the female also will not go there with any other male.
Yeah.
They will?
No, they won't go to any other male.
They will never go
they
to
will
any
stick
other
to
male.
That one, yeah.
Oh my God, they're so loyal. But the husband is not loyal.
I swear.
See. But the husband is not. The male is not loyal. Oh my God, this men's are men's.
ये गाड़ी men's are men's.
Sorry.
But
Don't take it personal.
So don't take it personally, okay?
sorry.
Don't
Nothing,
take it personally, sir.
It's okay. I understand.
Can we keep one in the car?
Can we keep one in the car? Wow. My God, look at the cheetah. I know it's very tiny, but yeah. Oh my God. Please come this side. हाँ ना? We have meat. Come.
Come on. Are you serious? Serious? Wanted
Not getting scared. I don't know.
it's like
Always in my own head. Yeah, I was getting tired of trying, forgetting every word that I said in all those old conversations. Turn into a melody. I'll be waiting for autumn days ahead of me. Those words that put me under are never coming back.
Or it's rhino, but it's buffalo.
Look at them.
But it's huge, no? It's the jungly buffalo, man.
Bison looks like this only.
Look over here,
No,
here.
छोटी-छोटी चिड़िया are sitting on.
हाँ, उसके ऊपर बैठते हैं ना वो लोग. Oh, the whale is looking at us. Hi, Mr. Buffalo. How are you doing? Eating grass? Guys, I'm in Milan, drinking sparkling water, and eating spaghetti. Ha 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 ha.
What's good, bitch? We out here in Milan, drinking sparkling water and eating some spaghettis.
You have not seen it?
No, I've never seen.
This wild वाला thing.
Oh yeah.
जहाँ पर वो बोलता है कि मुझे ताज़ी पूप की स्मेल आ रही है, यहाँ यही कहीं पर होगा गाय और समथिंग लाइक दैट.
तो ये एक जरिया हो सकता है आगे सरवाइव करने का.
एग्जैक्टली.
वेस्ट। ओ ये देखिए एलिफेंट डांग में। ओह ब्यूटीफुल। मैं पक्का इंडिया के जंगल में ही हूँ। एलिफेंट्स के अलावा
ढूंढे
कि डैश डैश कहाँ है? ताजी डैश डैश.
I like my beat with some soul. I like my girl with some heart.
Yo.
I only love with my whole. I don't know how to give part. I don't know how we gon' finish, but I love how we done start. So let's take a night to just be who we are. So I ain't got the time or the energy, unless it's towards a goal or a memory. And to be doing things that I don't really love. Only light I had was coming from the sun. But now I'm...
So what's your name?
Newton.
Newton.
Yes.
Newton. So which is your favorite animal to see?
Lion.
Lion.
Yes.
Okay, and?
That's my most favorite one. Yeah.
Even I like lion and that the rhino.
Lion and the cheetah or leopard. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Those wild cats.
Have you ever touched a cheetah or lion or something like that?
No.
No?
Yeah.
You wanted to, like, you want to touch or something?
I would like to touch them, but I fear them.
If you will touch, they'll eat you.
Yeah, they might eat me. Maybe when they are in a cage. Yeah. When in a cage, I can comfortably touch them.
So in Phuket, right, you were saying, so in Phuket there is one park where you can touch the lion, tiger and stuff. So basically that tiger is drugged or something, they're injected.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, they are not.
They're not like,
aggressive.
in their senses basically. So you can touch and click pictures.
Yeah, that one I can touch.
But that's not good for the tiger, right?
Yeah.
So you want some water?
No, I'm okay.
Okay.
You have water bottle?
Yeah.
So where's the animals?
They're gone. See? Aircraft.
कहाँ पर?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, oh my Kenya Airways.
हाँ, Kenya, sorry.
Wow, it's so pretty. They have some airline called Jumbo. रानी बाग चल जाना चाहिए ना हमें? रानी बाग?
कुछ नहीं है यहाँ पे. एटलीस्ट वहाँ 200 में काम हो जाता. यहाँ $50 में भी नहीं हो रहा. Seriously.
रानी बाग में हमें क्रोकोडाइल देखने मिल जाएगा, स्नेक्स, बर्ड्स, टाइगर्स भी होता है. बट वो लोग पता है क्या बोलते हैं कि टाइगर्स अभी सो रहा है अंदर. वो हमेशा सोता रहता है, कभी बाहर नहीं निकलता.
अब हमारा सोने का टाइम आ गया है.
अभी नींद आ रही है कि एनिमल्स दिख ही नहीं रहे हमें. उई 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 उई. These are rhinos. Oh my god. So close. Look at their thorns, man. Oh, what kind of a sound is this? 3 rhinos and they are not even clean, man. पूरा मट्टी मट्टी लगा है उनके बॉडी में. But trust me, इतने क्यूट लग रहे. उई, देखो उसने मुंह दिखाया. Hi. उई, oh my god. I said hi ना, तो उसने hi back किया. Oh my god, he's looking at me. He's looking at me. No, 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 don't run. Bro, he's looking at me, man. Look at their thorns and how huge they are. Oh my god. हमने क्या इनको परेशान किया? They're so dirty, man. नहा लो थोड़ा सा, please.
They're gone.
Why you don't have tigers?
Sorry?
In Africa, you don't have tigers.
Yeah, we don't have tigers.
Why? What's the reason behind it?
I don't know if it is the African climate.
Uh-huh.
I don't know why they are mostly not in Africa.
Okay.
Yeah.
Might be because of the climate or something like that, no?
Sorry?
The tigers might be because of the climate or something like that.
Yeah, it might be because of the climate.
In India also, we don't have a lot of tigers. The tigers are getting extinguished.
Yeah.
Yeah. We used to have white tigers in India, in Kolkata. And now we don't have lot. We have 2, 3 or something like that.
Okay.
It's getting extinguished. 1 घंटे से ऊपर हो गया होगा ना अभी हमको।
Of course, yes.
1 घंटे से ऊपर हो गया और हमको कुछ भी नहीं दिख रहा। हम बस चले जा रहे और आंखों में नींद भरती जा रही है।
Per hour we need $70.
हाँ सी वाह ज़ेब्रू बोल रही हूँ मैं इसको। हाय you're not that clear though, please come forward. Hi, come. नहीं सुनेगा ये सब। क्या कर रही हूँ मैं?
कुत्ता थोड़ी है वो।
क्या रही हूँ मैं? हाय कितना प्यारा लग रहा है ना यार। इट्स सो क्यूट। वी कांट पेट ना ज़ेब्रा को तो।
राकुन पे कितना क्यूट लगता है। चुटकू। I like penguins. Yeah.
Penguins, yeah, I know. But ना उनका क्या है ना, उनको एक प्रॉपर एक एनवायरनमेंट में रखना पड़ता है और टेम्परेचर पे। Brass bites, sir? No, they don't. So they're just like a horse, no?
Yeah.
So why can't we pet them?
They only bite when they are fighting the predators.
एलिफेंट पेट करना है मुझे। मम्मा को बोलती थी एंड देन मम्मा मुझे बोलते जब तू बड़ी होगी ना तेरा खाना भी वही खा लेंगे, तेरे लिए खाना नहीं बचेगा। बहुत प्यारे लगते हैं। एंड देन ना वो जो एलिफेंट के जो बेबीज होते हैं वो तो बहुत ज़्यादा ही प्यारे होते हैं यार। बहुत क्यूट होते हैं। वो मंकीज आर दिस इज डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ अ मंकी। सी उनके टेल कैसे हैं। ओह माय गॉड। हाय।
Langur.
Oh, this is langur.
Yeah.
Hi langur. You want some angur? I don't have it. Ooh, it's so close, no? Hi. What tree this is? Name of this tree? This one. This tree. What do you call this tree?
I can't remember its name.
But it's very beautiful. You can only see this in I think so Africa, I believe, है ना?
Yeah.
What is the max temperature Africa reach up to, like the climate, the weather?
Maximum.
Max. Celsius.
32. Yeah.
32.
32.
That's it.
Yeah.
Oh, that's very less. Yeah.
32 degrees.
32 degrees. So in Mumbai, we reach up to 38, right? 38 degrees, 42 degrees. In Bombay, yes, it's so hot over there. And you'll sweat. Yeah, because it's near sea, no?
Oh.
So you'll sweat a lot. Over here, we are not sweating that much, no?
Yeah. And the lowest?
And the lowest?
The lowest there in India?
The lowest in India, it's 28.
Yeah.
28. Yes, 28. I'm talking about Mumbai, basically. So every state has different temperatures.
Yeah.
So in Delhi, the temperature goes up to
Around 1, 2.
1, 2, yeah, like the lowest one, and the highest is
Oh God.
48 something.
48, 52.
48, 52 in Delhi, the capital of India.
Wow.
It's very hot, but over there you will not sweat, but it's like very, very hot. Your skin will start burn like that. See, it's ostriches over there. So basically they have that black ostriches and then वो white वाला ostriches भी है वहाँ पर.
But वो क्या है?
तुमको पता है अगर यहाँ पर वो होता ना, क्या नाम है उसका, क्रिश, तो आराम से बुला लेता. क्रिश, यू डोंट नो. तो तुमने मूवी नहीं देखा?
अच्छा, वो वाला क्रिश वो
हाँ.
कैसे बुलाता?
वो ऐसे करके बुलाता है, समथिंग वॉइस निकाल के, तो पूरे बर्ड्स एंड देन होल एनिमल. Yeah, you got it. Yes. Late समझे but समझे. People eat ostrich meat also.
Yuck.
Yeah, they do. And then the ostriches की जो legs होते हैं ना, it's they roast or something like that, and mostly in America. And the meat is like huge. The leg is like huge.
एंड जो इनके जो फेदर्स होते हैं ना, वो पीपल दे सेल देम एंड देन उसको जो कलर करके, यू नो इन ब्राज़ील द कार्निवल्स एंड ऑल, द फेदर्स दे वेयर एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, जो अलग अलग तरीके से बनाते हैं. सो इट इज़ मेड आउट ऑफ ऑस्ट्रिच feathers. Informative, some knowledge I'm giving you guys.
No way to go there.
To see a lion, an elephant.
बोलेगा कहाँ से लेके
Yeah. I mean, then what's the use of safari? Just think, no.
It's called a picnic area. Here you can come down
And sit. Okay.
Oh, see, Bora. See, all the skeletons are there.
Oh my God, what is this?
Can we go there and see?
Yeah, you can go there.
He has the gun.
Hi.
Hello.
We are
Hi, we are good. How are you?
We have a nature walk, a beach, restaurant, you see some crocodiles and camping.
Crocodiles? Can we go? Yes, let's go. They have crocodiles. Thank you. We'll see you. Can you say
This is African victory.
what?
The big tree is the African victory.
This is African
Victory.
victory. It's a tree name.
Yeah, tree name.
Oh, victory.
Victory.
African victories.
This river is called Adi River, and this is Victory Tree. They will tell us the spot. Oh, now here it's a little cold, no? Yeah. Wow, so pretty.
You see over there?
See, oh yeah.
Oh yeah, there is a crocodile over there. So awkward, no? Clicking picture with him.
But he's very nice.
He's very nice. So what's your name?
My name?
Yes, your name?
Deke. Deke.
Deke.
Deke.
Deke. Deke. Yeah, very unique name. And it suits him also, like very Deke. Hey, be careful, okay?
सीधा क्रोको को झपी मारने.
क्रोको बेबी बोलेगा, आओ सुप्री बेबी. I was waiting for you.
हम मिल बांट के तुम्हें खाएंगे.
हो रहा है हमारा जंगल सफारी हो रहा है अभी हमारा एक्चुअली, क्योंकि हम जंगलों के साथ चल रहे हैं. Oh, this is beautiful. I'm so sorry.
ये देखिए जंगली भी होते हैं.
Oh yeah, there's a poop. Happy birthday हो जाएगा वरना. ड्राई है, मतलब टाइम हो चुका है पूप करके. ये वो मुझे इससे पता है, मैन वर्सेस वाइल्ड से. So there's one more, be careful. So whose poop is this? Which? Buffalo.
See the crocodile.
Oh my God!
Sorry, if you go there, to eat you all.
Oh my God! It will eat you all.
And
There's a turtle.
yeah, on the log there.
Yeah, see.
Oh yeah, there's a turtle over there. There's a turtle. Whoa! It's not that huge, but ठीक है, it's पानी वाला है.
It's
Yeah.
a freshwater turtle.
Freshwater turtle.
Is this fresh water?
Terrapin.
Yeah, terrapin.
Terrapin. So it's a breed name?
Sorry?
It's a breed name, Terrapin. Okay. It's
Okay, on the other side you have the Maasai people, ladies, they sell the beads. And,
oh, Maasai. Oh, Maasai breeds. Oh yeah. The people who is like follow that the ancient African culture.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go there.
One person who was sitting there, right?
Uh-huh. Yeah, we would love to see them.
you can read there. Want to go there?
Yes.
I can take you.
Yes, please. Come on, let's go.
Take you over here.
Oh.
Very careful.
So these people, they live there?
No, the real daughter outside of the park.
Oh. Oh my God, these people literally live there, man.
There are so many wild beasts.
Exactly. Look what has just happened. I just cut the cake. I just cut the cake. It's alright. Yes, it's the nature. What can I do?
Today it might be your birthday, yeah?
No, today is not my birthday. I just cut the cake.
Yeah, just use it brushing the grass, yeah?
Okay.
ऊपर से वीडियो भी बना रही है खुद की.
Yeah.
You cut the cake early, yeah?
Be careful now.
Oh my god. Nice.
That's the nature.
That's the nature. Exactly.
That's nature.
भाई सच में मैंने अपना बर्थडे का केक काटा है, बट आई रियली एंजॉयड कटिंग दिस केक. Just watch this. Hello. Hello. How are you?
That's like this.
Oh my God, you all are so pretty. Very beautiful.
Hello.
You all are so beautiful.
Welcome.
Maids.
Yeah, this is all handmade. My husband is doing carving. Me, I'm doing.
Oh, your
beadwork.
husband made this. That's so
I
sweet.
can support on my husband one, carving one, and one beadwork.
Hi. Oh, that's so cute. They have nice. Huh? They have. They are saying they have machine. And the thing is, we are not carrying our card also. I would love to buy, but the thing is, I'm not carrying my card. Yeah, I'm not carrying my card.
Because we paid all the amount.
All the amount, we thought we were going to, just walk around and stuff. We didn't know that you guys are here waiting for us.
Yeah, in the car there?
It's so far, no?
No, far. We can go with you. You can pick. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
तुम्हें कुछ खरीदना है क्या?
You want to buy something? कुछ खरीदना है तुमको?
No, I don't think so. Right.
है ना?
These $.
Mm.
This is fridge magnet.
Yeah, fridge magnet, the big 5.
Like from here.
No,
Then
it's in home.
okay.
Yeah, far from me.
Home where?
Nakuru. You know Nakuru? You know Nakuru?
How much time it takes for you to go there?
Sorry?
How much time for you to takes you to go there? 3 hours by road, right?
Yeah, by road, yeah.
Okay. Good.
Okay, you're welcome. Maybe something good for me, yeah.
Yes. So be careful. Don't cut the cake.
Yeah, you can appreciate for me, okay?
White shoes. I have to be very, very careful because I'm wearing white shoes.
Yeah, white shoes, yeah.
Yes. What is this? These are real, sir?
The red bones, yeah. The skulls of the dead.
Oh my God.
That died natural.
Can you please ask him, can we click picture with him?
Then you give him something good.
Oh.
Yeah,
We don't have cash, no.
Sort of for me now.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir. It was lovely having you. Thank you.
No procession. It's a tip.
We
As
are
a tip,
actually not carrying cash.
carrying any cash. So we have a card.
You can talk with the driver, there's no problem. Then you give me later.
Okay. Like that. So he's saying that we can
Ask the
pay the driver like extra money with a card and he will pay him later.
पूछ लेते हैं.
हाँ ठीक है. Okay, sir. Perfect. So these are the skulls.
Yeah.
Real animal skulls. So this, I think so, that is buffalo, no? The bigger one. This one. The jungly वाला. ये नीचे वाला देखो ना buffalo है ना?
This is for ये तो buffalo का. Even that. But this is scary.
Very scary, man. I don't even want to touch it. So now we came back with that little walk, and we saw crocodile, we saw turtle, and then that Masai Mara community, and वहाँ पर lot of merchandise over there to buy, and हम कुछ नहीं खरीद पाए because हम कार्ड लेके नहीं गए थे, इस वजह से। तो हमने देखा, that's it। अभी हम कैब में हैं, एंड अभी से हम टाइगर देखेंगे, एंड अगर देख पाए तो वेल एंड गुड, और अगर नहीं देख पाए तो विल गो टू होटल, बिकॉज जिराफ इज देयर। ओह या, देयर इज जिराफ। देयर इज जिराफ्स, लुक एट दैट जिराफ। जिराफ्स आर देयर। हाय जिराफ।
डिज्नी वर्ल्ड में आ गए।
हाँ, इट्स सो क्यूट। Lion King वाले सब characters there. Oh my god, look at that giraffe. Oh hi. How is he walking? What happened to his leg? This is looking like an emoji, you know, that जिसमें lashes and then lips आता है. Look at the lashes and the lips. Oh my god, why she is so beautiful. Oh my god, she's so beautiful. And she's posing also, huh? Show me your side profile. वो मस्त में खड़े होके देख रही है, देख रहा है, I don't know, but whatever. So is he or she is female or what? Or male?
Male.
It's male, I believe. Hi! Oh my god, you're so pretty!
भागने लगी तो और सब what?
Look at this giraffe behind me!
Giraffes?
Bye! She's a model.
Yeah, actually she's
She's a
posing.
model. She or he, I don't know, but model. So tired. Just want to go home and go hotel, eat and sleep. बस एक सिंगल होप बचा है अभी टाइगर का.
Last hope.
Yeah. So you like your job? That's why you're so dedicated. You're just looking here and there continuously to search lion.
Very true. You're not tired, sir?
What?
Because we are not. Actually, we are not rested well.
Exactly, yeah. Red eye flight we did. What is it? अभी हमें कोई मॉल पे आए हैं ATM मशीन ढूंढने, कैश निकालने के लिए. Got it. Yeah. Come to Mama Honey. Finally we have reached. कितना बज रहा है अभी? 2:10 हो रहे हैं यहाँ के, और हम लोग यहाँ के निकले सुबह के 8 बजे से फ्लाइट करके डायरेक्टली. सो टायर्ड. अरे मुझे अपने मम्मी के पास जाना है, मुझे घर जाना है. मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए भगवान के लिए.
जाना है, मुझे घर जाना है, मुझे अपने घर जाना है.
फाइनली आ गए. Finally our hotel is here. चलो. Hello. Hi. So
So I came back from the safari and अभी बज रहे हैं कुछ 2:30 and my crew, she's inside, she's getting fresh. उसके बाद मैं जाऊँगी and trust me, I'm so tired right now. So tired right now. I mean, I enjoyed, and why I am tired, it's because you know मैंने फ़्लाइट करके आया कुछ 6 hours का रेड आई फ़्लाइट किया and then time zone difference हुआ and then you know directly we came and then हम रेडी होके निकल गए and by the time you know थोड़ा starting में it was enjoyable and then बाद में भी enjoyable था but you know at a point आपका body ना give up करने लग जाता है तो वैसे ही होने लग गया था because of sleep and yeah तो अभी हम यहाँ पर हैं कुछ 2:30 हो रहा है. Will eat something because I'm very very hungry and then I'm going to sleep. I don't know at what time I will wake up क्योंकि अभी 3 o'clock 3:30 तक का मैं सोऊंगी and then I think so मैं कुछ रात को ही उठूंगी. So I think I'm going to end my vlog over here. Okay. And it was really nice experience and if अगर आप आ रहे हो Nairobi so please go and do safari. So it also depends upon luck. Okay, so for us we saw everything except lions. Yeah, and हमने लास्ट तक का उम्मीद नहीं छोड़ा you know कि हम करके ही जाएंगे, हम देख के जाएंगे. I'm so sorry, my stomach is making noise because I'm so hungry. Okay, so हम लास्ट तक का ही देख के जाएंगे बट वो जो टाइम हो गया था कुछ 1 o'clock something, that time lions prefer to sleep, take rest and the other animal likes to roam around. तो वही हो रहा था इस वजह से. बट कोई नहीं, किसी और दिन कोई और लेओवर पे देख लेंगे हम लायन भी. So yeah, that's it guys. I hope you enjoy my vlog. I hope you enjoy my lame jokes and if you do please let me know in my comment section that you like it this video. And yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.
On a cloudy day, and it don't matter what you say, 'cause even if the sky is falling, I'ma do it anyway. So save your worries, slide your loving. I can feel that good things coming. Finally believe that it's gonna be a bright one here.
Every day I got a light one, yeah. Never not that it a tight one.